Hello, good people. Welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. The issue of placing 100 million naira whooping bounty on Nnamdi Kanu has triggered more reactions from different quarters, and this time around is coming from the Ohaneze Igbo as they open up on a lot of things. Don't forget that the reason why the bounty was placed on Nnamdi Kanu was the Northern Consensus Group claiming that the killings going on in the southeast of Northerners who have properties there is traceable to Nnamdi Kanu and ESN, and they are spewing out fire right now. But the Ohaneze Igbo has given them full details of it, and they have shown them the direction to go, and that's what we want to look at in a jiffy. But before we do that, if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. Now, according to the news, Ohaneze Igbo, which is the Apex Igbo Socio-Cultural Organization, has slammed the Northern Group for placing a bounty on Nnamdi Kanu's whereabouts. It has been reported that 17 Northern Group under the aegis of Northern Consensus Movement and Thursday declared Kanu wanted over the killings and destruction of properties owned by Northerners in the southeast. The president of the group, Dr. Awel Abdullahi, while addressing a press conference, also placed a 100 million naira bounty on Kanu. Reacting, Ohaneze Igbo, in a statement by its Secretary General, Mazi Okechukwu Isiuzoro, on Friday, faulted the move and accused the warring factions in the leadership of Meiti Allah cattle breeders and Islamic terror organization of being behind the killing and destruction of properties in the southeast region. Nnamdi Kanu declared wanted. The group called on the northern groups to place their 100 million bounty on Meiti Allah and the slain leader of insurgency group, Abubakar Shekau, successor, whom it alleged has forced heavy havoc on the citizen. Ohaneze Igbo, however, dismissed the claim that Northerners have been killed in the southeast, maintaining that there had not been any killing of Northerners recorded anywhere in this region, as it further accused the Northern Group of embarking on a mission to thwart the ambition of the Southeast Zone in producing presidency that will succeed Muhammadu Buhari come 2023. The Igbo organization say we would not want to join issues with faceless groups that are not known in the north, but in as much as that they are making some attempt to cause crisis in the country by ensuring that the groups not only placing a bounty on Nnamdi Kanu over alleged killing, they are out to escalate the tension in the country. For the purpose of record, and from the last time, there had not been any killing except the accidental killing of Ahmed Gulag in Owerri. There had not been killing recorded anywhere in the southeast about northern people except some nefarious activities of unknown gunmen and killer Fulani headsmen who had been attacking police stations and government facilities and killing both Igbos and indigenes from other parts of the country. We want to tell the group being sponsored by some northern presidential aspirant to place the bounty on the new leader of Boko Haram group that has just emerged after the death of Shekau. Nnamdi Kanu has an address in London or in Germany where his headquarters of IPOB is. There is no need of searching for Kanu. He is not in Nigeria. He has an address in London as a British citizen. They should just use the 100 million naira bounty given to them by northern politicians who are trying to destabilize the southeast to have easy route for the 2023 presidential ticket of major political parties in Nigeria, especially of PDP. They should place the bounty on Shekau's successor, who has no address, who is living in the forest, the group that took arms against the government for the last 6 years. They should not cry more than the bereaved. We will take care of the southeast and ensure normalcy return. As far as we are concerned, that bounty is inconsequential and political. It is not necessary, only a means to continue to heat up tension in the polity. That was the reaction of the Ohaneze Igbo. And with what they are saying, I see a lot of sense in it, because if truly you care so much for your people, if truly you have the money to spend like that, if truly you want to see how you can protect the interests of your people, just like the wise saying goes, charity begins at home. So you would have started first by ensuring all those who are in IDP camp in Borno and other northern states return back to their villages. And how do you do that? You pay people this 100 million bounty to go after the leaders of some of these insurgency group, and then you secure peace for your people before you now come down to a faraway place like Southeast. So for me, they stay by these people, just like these guys have said, talking about the Ohaneze Igbo. It's totally political. They're trying to make sure that they increase the tension in the Southeast, such that at the end of the day, when their cases are being presented, if there will be 2023 election, when their cases come up for them to be selected, they will say, well, you know, there's a lot of tension in that area. There is no way something good can come there. Possibly in the process, they will prevent anything like politicking or maybe APC rally there, or maybe consultation there, by heating up the polity so that nothing good will come out from there. But with what Ohaneze Igbo has said, I think it will calm the nerves of people. They call them even faceless, because we've not really seen a major person coming out to represent their interests. As much as we are fully involved in the whole show, that's Nigerian show, still, I feel that the interest of the Southeast must be protected. At this point, I feel that somebody, even in the northern part of Nigeria, needs to come up, just like Shehu Sani has said. You know, people need to talk out, because that Shehu Sani has really shown himself that he is not a politician and is not ready to play that game, you know, or join in the queue of trying to heat up polity in, you know, the Southeast. And I feel that notion should be corrected. Southeast, there was tension there. Right now, what we are seeing is reconciliation is going on, and they are trying to balance the equation the way by the military will go back to their base and there will be normal activities. For example, in Owerri, the information we gathered some few days ago was that there is normalcy. People should return back even to their night legal businesses. You know, the issue of burning down police station is over, so there is no need of trying to make sure that you blacklist the Southeasterners so that in anything good they can be considered. It won't work again this time around. Enough of all of this. Let's see how we can improve, you know, the economic situation in the north first, because if you're talking about a place that is fully tense, it's actually the north. It's not the south. The south, right now, what is happening in the south is a tip of the iceberg. If you want to compare it with what is happening in the northern part of Nigeria. Thumbs up to Ohaneze Igbo for correcting that notion, and also to sending out signals so that those politicians who are behind this will know that everybody understands the game that they're trying to play. I'd like to leave it there. Just go to our comment section. What's your position about what the Ohaneze Igbo had rightly said? Let's interact in our